Alright, this is my first and ever showing my cars. Alright, I got like 300, but I couldn't find all of them. So you got a couple here. Some of these. These three right here are new. So this one and this one and this one and that one. And all those cars in the row right here are mine, are new. These two and those three right there. And over there you got some more stuff. Here's a police canine truck I want to show you guys. Just so you guys might like it. Has some fake little dogs. I don't know if you can see them. They're in the trunk. Here, I'll actually go. What? Okay. Yeah, but never mind. Well, there's canines in there. Some center. Well, yeah.